Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gamestop coin. Now this is obviously not from the actual GameStop company. This is a homage coin to, basically the GameStop fiasco that happened. There's a Netflix documentary about that in case you have no idea. But yeah, this is an homage, a meme coin, ticker symbol GME, and I guess they've actually, their account on Twitter here on X.com is suspended right now, probably because it is too similar to the actual GameStop company page. And so it looks like their Twitter is suspended. Usually I'll put their Twitter up on the screen right here, but maybe I'll just put up their chart or something up here. But basically, you can find their webpage at WEALTHSIMPLE. Ticker symbol is GME. Name of the token is Gamestop, and then space coin. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 29th at 11 o'clock UTC time. We're going to go over the information on the Gamestop coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is on the Solana blockchain, and Solana meme coins have been very popular lately. So this token can be found on a whole bunch of different decentralized exchanges for purchase, and it just got listed today on a centralized exchange. So the new centralized exchange listing here, starting January 29th at 11 o'clock at UTC time, the Gamestop coin will be listed on Poloniex. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Poloniex account, you could download Poloniex from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account and then fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search GME, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So there's 9 decimal places on this token, and there is a current supply, it says, of 6,899,499,909 tokens. So that is according to their Soul Scan. Now they have a Telegram you could join at GME on SOL. And they have 4,767 members. 807 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project if you want to learn more information, especially since their Twitter is suspended. Their normal Twitter would be at GameStop__coin, and it says account has been suspended for violating the rules, most likely because their page is too close to the actual GameStop page. That would make sense. But yeah, so it's on Poloniex today. Now, if you go to their webpage, WEALTHSIMPLE, you can find links to their Telegram, their Twitter. And then at the top of the page, it says buy on Jupiter, buy on Raydium, or buy on Bird Eye. So those are 3 different decentralized exchanges where you can get the token as well. So some of them have a chart too as well. Like you can see a chart on Bird Eye of how the token's doing and all sorts of information on there, just like you can on Dex Tools. or, you know, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, but you could also buy it off Bird Eye as well. So basically, if you want to get it in a decentralized way, you can get this token by funding your decentralized wallet with Sol. So you could use a Phantom wallet, a Coin98 wallet, Coinbase, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, etc. Fund it with Sol, go into the dApps, either find Jupiter, Raydium, or Bird Eye, and then using the contract address that you could find at wallstsucks.lol, you could trade your Sol for the GME token using that contract address. So it says, Wall Street can't stop it now. The GME Solana meme coin marks the GameStop saga anniversary. Okay, there we go. I didn't know it was the anniversary. So showing we can stand up to the big guys together. A lot of memes on their webpage about the the GameStop saga. It says this isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a movement, a display in the digital community, and the power of the underdog, born on the Solana blockchain, known for its lightning-fast transactions and pioneering spirit. The GME meme coin embodies the essence of that historic rebellion against financial titans, channeling the raw energy and incredible support that defined the GameStop mania. It says, let's run it back. In January 2021, the GameStop short squeeze rocked the world and it changed the face of retail investing. Fast forward 3 years later, and we have the GME token on Solana paying tribute to the saga and sheer belief, a collective belief of the power of the underdog. So, it says how to buy on their page. If you didn't understand how I explained to buy this token, it goes through how to use Jupiter or Raydium and a Phantom wallet step by step. It says, as you stand at these digital crossroads, the GME Solana meme coin is more than just a token. It's a testament to what happens when the masses awaken, a beacon for those who dare to dream of different financial landscape. It's a tribute to every trader with a click voted against the tyranny of traditional financial institutions and a call to arms for a new generation of rebels. Now again, I'm not telling you to buy this token. I mean, it could be a total scam for all we know, right? It could be the absolute opposite of a rebellion and just scam all the normies out there because I don't see an audit, I don't see a KYC, all that type of stuff. So definitely take it with a grain of salt. Now, they have 8,147 holders already, so they are doing very well already. Fully diluted market cap is over $7.4 million. This is according to Bird Eye here. And, yeah, top 10 holders hold 13.18%. Total value locked here, we got $435,000. And they're actually up like, last time I checked here, 37% today. So they're doing very well today. Earlier it was 40%. But yeah, go check this out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.